In this video, you'll learn how to combine table rows and columns in Google Docs by merging cells. This is really useful when you want to create headers, group information, or simply make your table look cleaner and easier to read. Let's start with the basics. Before you can merge anything, you need to have a table already inserted in your Google Doc. If you haven't done that yet, just go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Table, and then select the number of rows and columns you want. Once your table is in place and you can see the grid on the page, you're ready to begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is highlight the cells you want to combine. This is how you tell Google Docs which cells should become one larger cell. Click in the first cell you want to include, hold down your mouse button, and drag across or down to cover all the cells you want to merge. You can merge cells horizontally across columns, vertically across rows, or in a block that covers multiple rows and columns at the same time. As you drag, you'll see the cells being selected. Make sure you've included every cell you want merged and only those cells. If you miss one, the merge won't give you the layout you expect. If you select the wrong cells by mistake, just click once outside the table or press Escape, then try highlighting again. Once the correct cells are highlighted, you're ready to merge them. Move your cursor into the highlighted area and right-click. This opens a context menu with several table options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Merge Cells. It's usually near the middle of the list, grouped with other table tools like inserting or deleting rows and columns. Click Merge Cells, and Google Docs will immediately combine all the selected cells into a single larger cell. You'll see the internal borders disappear, leaving one unified area. Any text that was in the top left cell will remain, and the rest of the content might shift slightly, so it's a good idea to quickly check that everything still looks the way you want. You can now type in that merged cell just like you would in any normal cell, but with more space to work with. If you're creating a title row, for example, you might merge all the cells at the top of the table so that one centered heading spans the entire width. Or if you're grouping categories along the side, you could merge cells vertically in the first column so one label covers several related rows. If you ever change your mind after merging, you can undo it right away by pressing Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. You can also adjust your table layout further by inserting new rows or columns and repeating the same process to merge additional cells. That's all there is to it. You highlight the cells, right-click, and choose Merge Cells. With just those two simple actions, you can quickly build more flexible, professional-looking tables in Google Docs.